In Bengaluru, the stage is set for a political showdown both on and off the dais. What was meant to be a protest by the Congress has turned into a controversy, with the BJP accusing the party of bulldozing both heritage and the law. A historical wall has been raised, says the BJP. Trees have been chopped and public space allegedly misused by all. The BJP has claimed to make way for Rahul Gandhi's protest rally at Freedom Park on Friday. The BJP has filed a complaint at Upperpet police station accusing the Congress of illegally demolishing a portion of the boundary wall and felling mature trees inside the protest zone. The aim, they allege, was to build a ramp and concrete access road for the event. Freedom Park is a very, very well-known park in Bengaluru. Once it was a central jail, and now it's become a symbol of protest. It may have therefore lost more than just a few bricks. BJP leaders say the construction work flattened the park's natural topography and caused financial damage to the state. Separate complaints have been filed with the BBMP forest officer and civic authorities, with the BJP demanding legal action against event organizers and the officials who allegedly turned a blind eye. And guess what? It doesn't just stop there. Despite Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar's earlier order banning political banners across city limits, the route leading to the rally site is now lined with towering hoardings of Congress leaders. BBMP officials admit that no permissions were granted for the banners. Under the new Advertisement Bylaws 2024, such displays are illegal unless placed in approved zones. Residents, meanwhile, are questioning selective enforcement, with many flagging the safety risk of visual clutter. Let me now go across to my colleague Mohammad Bajiullah, who's been tracking this story and will bring us the latest update on what is really brewing in Freedom Park. Baji, thanks for joining us on the broadcast. You've been reporting on this story, and of course, you filed a report which we shall have in any time now. But I want to ask you, when you and I were speaking in the morning, we spoke about the importance of Freedom Park. First, please weigh in on how important Freedom Park is, and then maybe we can go step by step to understand what really has taken place at Freedom Park to make this rally for Rahul Gandhi a huge success, Vaji.
So, like you mentioned, at one point of time, Freedom Park was a central jail under the British rule, and then after the freedom, it was still a part of the central jail till Parappa Nagrahara and other jails came about, and that is when this particular space became a part of protest and a designated spot for protest sites. Be it anybody who has anything against the government or wants to highlight his or her issue, this is the spot where he has to protest. Just like how in Delhi there is Jantar Mantar, in Bangalore it is the Freedom Park where even BJP, Congress workers all protest. And this particular area that we are showing on our screen is the extended part of the Freedom Park, which is attached to the central jail, which is next to this particular spot. And this spot has been designated for a protest. Right behind this is also a parking spot which has been made in the premises of the Freedom Park itself. So the main significance of the Freedom Park right now is for people to go there and have a leisure time. And the other significant part of Freedom Park is for protest. And that is what happens at Freedom Park mostly.
You know, Vaji, the thing is just let's also give a perspective to the viewers about what really happened in this case. As the political rhetoric escalates, the BJP says the Congress has set a dangerous precedent, one that it warns compromises both the ecological and historical sanctity of Freedom Park. Even as the rally draws near, so do questions of accountability. Will action follow? Or will this be another wall of silence saying, this is nothing? This was done without the knowledge of Rahul Gandhi or the Congress party. And let's not forget, it's the Congress which rules Karnataka. Let me now go across to my guest, Surabhi Hodigire, spokesperson for the BJP, and Satya Prakash, spokesperson for the KPCC. A very warm welcome to both of you. You know, Satyaprakash, I remember how Rahul Gandhi at one time had spoken so strongly about felling of trees. I wonder if we have that quote, we should put this quote up. And even whenever there are natural disasters, Rahul Gandhi has spoken with a lot of conviction that if you do not respect nature, then it will lash back. Also, Rahul Gandhi has many times spoken about how there should be no VIP treatment. The way he dresses, for instance, is not like the usual Neta. When he did his, his yatra, we remember how he was milling around with people, with common people, as it were. But this kind of a thing, it is almost like vandalizing the Freedom Park. What happened?
Hi, Sudha, after a
Hi,
long time. Uh, First
nice
of
to
all,
see
let
you.
me make it very clear. Freedom Park is not a park with trees and all. Let me make it very clear. Freedom Park, there is a memorial for all those freedom fighters who were lodged in the jail since the jail belonged to an era of British. After some time, that park, the whole jail was shifted to Parapanagrahana. Please understand that during Siddaramaya's earlier stint in between 2013 to 2018, this park, which a huge space was there, the Congress government started a plan to give this land for protests since it is in the center of the city. Second thing was they made a multi-level parking facility. So Siddaramaiah started it. This multi-level parking facility came to end in 2022, but the BJP government didn't do anything about it. Now the Congress government, once it came in 2023, the 1 and 2 parking levels which were there, what Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, who is Bangalore urban district in charge, has done is, why to waste this? There is free parking. So what he has done is, above that free parking, he has built one, space wherein the BBMP, under whose control this Freedom Park comes, can rent it to anyone who wants to do protests, or wants to do some functions, want to do some marriage or anything like that. Based on this, Congress this time went to BBMP and sought permission for the Rahul Gandhi's fight against SIR and addition and deletion of voters. I urge the national media, why look at all these inconsequential things? Why don't you look at the positive things that this
Oh,
particular thing on
of course.
August 8th is going to
Yeah.
give?
No, wait.
This is a
We will
huge
do it.
protest that we have done.
We will do it. You know, Satya Prakash, the
Yeah.
way you listed about Freedom Park, I'm very impressed, Satya. Lot of effort has been done by the Congress party. There is free parking. Why don't we give this, in Delhi there used to be boat club. Now it no more happens. But we all used to go as students and protest there. It was free. And we were grateful, but then it stopped. I am also, like I said, I am very impressed by what the Congress party do. Then why do you vandalize it? Why was a ramp built?
No wonder
You
that
create,
is see that.
was there a ramp built or not, Satya? I listened to you very patiently, no? You tell me.
Okay,
Was a
you
ramp,
tell.
was a part of a wall demolished to build a ramp or not?
I will tell you. Okay, it is not done by the Congress party. We have rented that space for 1 day, and we are going to pay whatever the charges are there to BBMP. Anyone can go and rent it. Now, as part of our requirement, the BBMP has done some changes. If we have to pay for those, we will pay. If it is part of that and they make enough revenue out of whatever we are paying, it is the job of the BBMP. No Congress worker has gone and done something. Tomorrow, if I rent a space to do my marriage or a private function, I will not be allowed to go and
Satya, who does
demolish a
BBMP
wall.
report to? Who does BBMP report to, Satya Prakash?
BBMP reports to the government, not to the Congress party.
Whose government is it in Karnataka? Is this
It
Kaun
is,
Banega
it is
Crorepati? I mean, come
no,
on.
no, it is Congress's government, but
Then,
you need to understand that everything doesn't run according to the Congress
oh,
party.
that I
There are
knew. I
bureaucrats
knew.
in
This is a
place,
case.
and
This is a very typical. Your party talks about environment. Your party talks about preserving heritage, and I'm not being sarcastic.
this is not a heritage park.
But you
Please
can't do it.
understand, it is
Why
no
did you
heritage
fell
park.
trees? Felling trees and you see the results all over. A tree is like a
See,
human being, like a child.
I,
Come on, let me get Miss Hodigere
a
here.
tree was felled by BBMP, not by the Congress
Right.
government. Please
Surabhi
understand.
Hodigere. So at least Satya Prakash is accepting that trees were felled. Surabhi Hodigere, please come in here. I'm not saying, oh my God, this is a national heritage maintained by the ASI. I did not even exaggerate it. But whether it is Freedom Park, whether it is Indira Park in Hyderabad, whether it is Children's Park in New Delhi, I'm saying this is created as a common space for all of us. Tomorrow if I go, if my son is getting married, I raise a part of the wall, will the BBMP keep quiet?
For the
Surabhi.
common people, the law of the land is harsh, exceptionally harsh. But for anybody who is in the ruling party in Karnataka, especially the Congress, when it is in the Congress era, the Congress doesn't know what is the left hand doing, the right hand won't know. That is what's happening over here in terms of the issue. You are putting this on BBMP, whereas BBMP is blaming you. There are statements in the press saying that we have no idea who's done this. Who was there? Who was on ground? Was it BBMP making up the, putting the set up everything? Sir, we have also done protests in the Freedom Park. And please don't make it look like as if Freedom Park came into existence only under Siddaramaia's government and Congress rule. It has been around for eons. Even before it was, you made sure that protest only happens in Freedom Park. What was before the opportunity to protest across the city is now only in Freedom Park, and that too selective permission is being given. So that the question over here, why is this a national issue? This is a national issue because just as Rahul Gandhi did lip service on the Wayanad disaster, on the Wayanad landslide, and then ran away, his concern towards environment, his concern towards all these things is mere lip service. That's it. That's where it ends. Does he not have control over his party that he can tell them that not to do these kind of things? You are blaming this on BBMP. BBMP saying they have no idea who's come here and done what.
Come here. Now
Please,
BBMP,
you
like Surabhi
are-
says, is washing its hands off. So who's to be? The similar case, wait a minute. Similar case happened in Telangana, where posters were put up. I asked why the posters, we do not know. How don't you know? No, this is, we gave it as to a vendor, he did it. The vendor did not know. I asked the vendor said, madam, how am I supposed to know? At night these posters were put up. I only told him. See, this is what I mean. And this is Rahul Gandhi. It is not some MLA. This is Rahul Gandhi. And I think that in this country, unless or until we take cognizance of all these things, we will have more of Uttarkashi. I'm exaggerating it, but this is how disasters
please,
happen.
don't
No,
exaggerate to your
no,
level.
No.
As per
I'm
my
saying,
knowledge-
don't be.
as
No,
per
wait
my
a minute.
knowledge, only
Wait a
one
minute.
tree.
Should not Rahul Gandhi, maybe Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who's a people's person, he'll sit and have
Don't
lunch
make
on
a
the
mole out
roadside.
of a mountain,
Maybe, really, this is how it is done. Mountains
Yeah.
also get demolished because of this attitude. Mole hills make mountains and then they're getting demolished. I'm saying
I think News 9
Rahul
is
Gandhi,
hell-bent
Rahul
upon-
Gandhi, the man who's so well spoken, the man, I'm not being
Rahul
sarcastic.
Gandhi has,
I
Rahul
think,
Gandhi ji has
I think
got
Rahul
nothing to
Gandhi will
with
do
this.
very well for himself.
Don't bring Rahul Gandhi
Rahul
here.
Gandhi, why not?
This
He's
furnished
like
was
you
very
and
News 9 is
me.
hell-bent
Who's
on-
he? No, why
News
should I
9
not
is
bring him?
hell-bent on
I'm
hijacking
sorry.
this issue,
He's a political leader,
making a mole
much
out of
like
a
anyone else.
mountain And making
know?
the whole of India forgetting the main issue. What is the
Really?
main issue of this
That
protest?
happened. I
The
will
main
cover
issue
the
of this
rally. I
protest,
will come
you
to
should
you.
tell India
SIR,
how
I will
Election
come.
Commission and
You-
Mr. Modi and Amit Shah are
One
being,
second.
are beating
Prior
and
to-
adding votes as per their whims and fancies.
I will
But
do
what is News
SIR.
9 doing?
I will do Bihar.
What is News
I
9
will do
doing?
it with hammer and tongs. But all I'm saying, Satya,
Sorry?
is on my show, you have many a time said, yes, Sudha, this should not have happened. As a representative of the Congress, I'm only a spokesperson, but I can say, I apologize. I feel these things should not have.
This
particularly,
is not done by Congress party.
no.
Please
This is
understand.
no, the buck stops with the Congress party, I say. You are
No,
ruling
no,
Karnataka.
no. You cannot tell
You are
whatever
ruling
you want to the people
Karnataka.
of
Okay,
Karnataka.
BBMP has said we did
I
not
am-
know.
I on-
We did
I
not.
on
Surabhi
behalf of the
Odigire, come in
Congress
here.
party and on
I
behalf
am
of
not
the
into
Congress
this.
government,
I am not
no
into.
congressman was involved
Oh my
in
God,
felling of
I am
the
not
trees.
into this. All I'm saying is Bengaluru is in a shambles. Every day we are doing stories about the flora and
What
fauna
is Bangalore
gone.
in a shambles?
Roads
Bangalore
are
is
in
the
a
best
bad
livable
shape.
city in the whole of country.
Roads are in a bad
People are
shape. The
thronging to
city is
Bangalore
breaking
in
at its
lakhs every
seams.
day.
The city of gardens today is now really very tough to kind of inhabit.
the best city in
In
the
that,
country,
imagine a
as far as
Rahul
weather is
Gandhi
concerned.
who's supposed to be the Rahul Gandhi, one of the the senior most figures in
Why
the
are you bringing
INC.
Rahul Gandhi for this petty issue?
Then who's doing the rally?
Bring
Who's
Rahul
leading
Gandhi
it?
for
I'll say
what?
Kharge.
For what cheating the election commission has done? How they are adding and deleting votes as per their whims and
Surabhi
fancies,
Odigire, I
acting
can't
according
shout.
to the
That's why I'm
political
coughing.
master Modi.
Come on, Surabhi Odigire, come in here. Yeah.
Have a conversation on one issue, that doesn't mean that we have to let you go on every other issue. This is not a small issue or a big issue. The thing is that you
It's
do
a
not
trivial
consider that damaging public property is an issue at all. Please, today's debate is about this for a reason. The BJP has been on the forefront under the leadership of our central Saptagiri Gowda Anna, and we have gone and seen this place. We have seen that it might not be a heritage structure, but Freedom Park has a place in the heart of many, many young people as well as people who have done protests there for eons. Why did you damage the heritage structure if government, you, a party in power in government, can get away with such acts of demolition? Then what is the point? Where is the rule of law? Please tell me, where is
It
the
is not
rule of
Congress
law?
party which has
If
demolished
you
it. It is the
yourself can
BBMP.
do something
And
like this
BBMP
and
owns
get away
that
with
piece of
it.
land.
Government is supposed to be upholding, implementing the rule of law.
And guess
not
what, Surabhi?
What
Yes,
is rule of
Surabhi,
law?
Satya,
What is
we
rule
have a
of law?
report. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll get back to the experts, but as of now, my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah has this report on the Freedom Park issue. Take a look.
I'm right now at the Freedom Park where the entire place has been decked up for Rahul Gandhi's protest, which is supposed to happen on the 8th of August, which was initially supposed to happen on the 5th but had been postponed and will now be happening on the 8th. And right now we are here because the BJP has protested and has filed a complaint at the Upperpet police station saying that a compound wall has been demolished which has a historical significance. Now this is a bordering wall of the Freedom Park which is inside where usually protests happen, and a ramp has been made over here by the Congress for the movement of workers who will be coming for the protest. The BJP claims that this has historical significance, but for now there is no claim of its historical significance because while this is the wall that you can see over here, if I can tell my camera person to show you, this is that wall, but there is granite over here, but this wall is the compound wall of this entire thing, and it's made of a concrete which is used in modern construction, something like you can see over here. So the significance of its historical evidence is something that has to be looked into, and what we've been told, a few trees have been cut. So this is the tree that must have been over here, which has been uprooted to make a ramp so that movement of people happens very easily, and there is no chock-a-block kind of a situation or a stampede like situation when workers and protesters who will be coming here. So this is the ramp that the BJP has claimed. But the biggest significance is the protest that we will be seeing over here on the 8th of August, for which you can see banners have been put by the Congress office, and this entire protest is against the ECI because Rahul Gandhi claims that 100% proof of electoral manipulation has happened in Karnataka with regards to the Mahadevpura seat, and that is what he will be coming here on the 8th of August and will be highlighting that issue with documents and proof, and this will be the stage where this entire thing will take place.
All right, so that was a report filed by my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah Satyaprakash. Balanced report, very balanced report, because he says about its historical significance, he says very clearly that is questionable. But trees have been uprooted, a ramp has been created. Across you see posters of Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Kharge ji. I saw Kharge's, Mallikarjun Kharge sir's photograph also there. You say BBMP has done it, but the point, there is proof. Can we see that visuals yet again where a part of the wall has been demolished to create a ramp? Very good thing, so that no stampede should happen, because we are still mourning the RCB stampede. But the point is, this is what happened. This is what happened. No, I have to tell my wife.
In real time. The Congress has been fact-checked in real time.
I also saw what your reporter Najibullah said. He said he has not shown any tree there. The roots of the tree is there. Now I really doubt if any tree had gone out. Second thing, point number one. Second point. Those are all modern concrete bricks.
So what?
You are claiming it.
So what? Why should you break it? That's what my his name is Wajiullah, by the way. I'm saying Vajji said.
That is the decision of the BBMP,
no,
not of the Congress party.
You are not batting well today. I'm sorry. You are not batting. You are not, because
See,
you
you are
cannot
not
bat.
allowing me.
You
You are
cannot bat.
well bent in-
Look at
you
that.
are-
Ladies
news
and
line is well
gentlemen,
bent
this
in
is how
damaging Rahul Gandhi's
parties
name in
behave.
this. Please
Political
understand.
parties will
Rahul
break
Gandhi
a
has
part of
lifted
the
a very,
wall
very
Ma'am,
important
to
this is
create
topic
the
a
of national
ramp.
importance.
Go on.
impunity.
Where
Go on.
Election Commission of
This is
India is playing
impunity,
foul with the
breach of
democracy.
political
Election
privilege by
Commission
just
of India is
claiming
playing
that
like a
this
puppet
didn't
of Mr.
happen.
Modi and
Sir,
Amit Shah.
people are not,
Election
so
Commission is
naive to
fooling
believe
people.
anything that you
And it
say.
is diluting
You are
electoral
seeing
dynamics in
visuals.
this
You have
country.
been fact
And
checked by
Rahul
the
Gandhi is
reporter
coming to
Ajinta on
expose
ground
Election
today.
Commission in front
You
of
have been
whole
fact checked on
India.
ground. Just
And you are
accept
raising
it.
this
What you
petty
have to
issue,
say is
small
just like you
issues.
did in the RCB Stampede
It's a
issue.
petty
Accept
issue.
you have done a
Small
mistake.
issue.
You
I
have done a
don't think it will
mistake. If
cost even
government
1 lakh
power
rupees
does
to
a
build that,
mistake,
compound wall.
uphold the rule of law for people.
Surabhi, please hold your horses. Let me talk. Satya, let's all calm down. Satya, you say it's a small thing. You keep saying it. Why is it a small thing, Satya Prakash?
Because it will not even cost 1 lakh rupees. It is just like 10
It's
or
about
15
money.
Public
Please,
money.
It's
let me-
about
if you
1
don't
lakh
let me
rupees.
speak, if you
Tap
don't
my
let me
money.
speak, you will-
Surabhi's money, your money.
No,
It's
no.
all our
No, no.
money.
Please understand.
Who's
Please-
Rahul
please
Gandhi?
leave now.
Why should you do it?
Please leave, I
You
will
could have
explain.
been more
We are
imaginative.
paying-
How can you say 1 lakh
We are
rupees?
paying
Why
rent
do you
to
break
the
things?
BBMP.
Tomorrow if I come,
We are
I can also
paying
break
rent to
things.
the
That is
BBMP.
vandalism.
BBMP
No,
is-
unacceptable.
Very bad behavior. This should be
Unacceptable.
broadcast
Totally
across the state.
unacceptable.
How can you say that 1 lakh rupees
BBMP
yearly?
is not giving this
That is
space for us for
somebody's,
free. We are
yearly
paying for it.
earning. That is,
And we
food
forgot
in the
something.
Forget
mouths of so
about,
many
forget
people.
about, okay,
BBMP
1 lakh
is
rupees.
not
Public
paid.
property
But
damage.
felling
Is
a
this
tree,
fallacious
a
twist?
tree has
This is
life.
what Congress
There
is
is
It's
no
a
doing
tree.
park.
You
Tunnel
show me
Road
which
because
tree
you
was
have
felled. You
no
ask Najibullah is
understanding
there.
of what
Ask him to
public
show me
property,
the
public
tree.
money, nothing. All you care about is ensuring that things are
What is
convenient for
important
Mr.
today?
Rahul Gandhi. How
The
can you
election
say
commission
1 lakh
playing
rupees?
politics
How
in the
can you
name
say
of
just
electoral
1 lakh rupees?
democracy.
It's mine, your
Instead of
taxpayer
adding votes, it
money.
is deleting
You
votes.
have no
And today
value
Rahul
for
Gandhi is
public
coming to
property
Bangalore
for
to show
money.
whole of India
You know,
what
I'm-
failing
I'm-
Election
I'm-
Commission of
Gandhi's
India has
message
done.
is going to die
I'm
down in
so,
one day.
it is so
Please, if
sad.
Rahul Gandhi is so confident about his message, you didn't have to break Freedom Park property for that.
You know,
You are
Bangaloreans,
He's so confident about
You are
what he has to
not after the
push
purpose
for.
why we are doing
Bangaloreans
this.
are
Follow the rules.
known
You are
to
after-
preserve
Call out
nature,
somebody that we're
to
not
see
following
to
the
it
rules.
that their
You
lakes
follow
and
the rules
trees and
first.
gardens have a place in people's lives. But if a political
Sudha,
party
can I
representative
ask a
says,
small question, Sudha?
it's a no,
Do you know why
wait,
that 15 feet has been? Do
wait.
you know why that 15 feet
yeah,
is
yeah,
done?
very noble
So that
cause.
VAPs
But
One
how
lakh
much does
so
it
that
cost?
come
VAPs
from Congress's money
VAPs
coffers.
can have an easy
This
exit.
1 lakh rupee
Easy
better
entry
come
It's
to
an
from
that.
insult.
party fund.
It's
We
an
will
insult.
not let go of you.
It's an insult. You cannot do it. You have to accept that maybe even if it costs 10 rupees, there are sometimes posters which may cost 2 rupees, but if I tear it, it's a crime and it's a sin. You don't
Ma'am?
do these things. How can you
talk
do
of the
it?
bigger picture.
No, ma'am.
Democracy
Even
is
the
being
party
done.
Yeah, yeah.
power
We
can
will talk. Come on.
Actually
Surabhi.
say
Newsmen
this.
should
How
start
is the rule of
talking,
law upholded
use of
in the
national
state?
interest, not this
If the
petty
party
interest
in
things.
power can
These
say,
are
no, it's
petty
just
things.
1 lakh
You all
rupees,
should talk
what
how
right do you
Modi,
have
Amit
to
Shah,
tell citizens
BJP
to
are
uphold the
undermining
rule of
democracy
law?
using Election
If
Commission
the
of
party
India.
in power has
How they are
there's
deleting
no
votes and adding
consequence, they
additional
don't have
votes
any
just to
morality
win by
in
fraud.
destroying public
And
property
today
and
Rahul
saying
Gandhi
it's
is
just one
showing the
tree.
entire nation
Surabhi and Satya
that how
Prakash.
ACI is playing a fraud.
I am tired of hearing Rahul Gandhi,
And you all
Rahul
are
Gandhi.
talking about these petty
Leave
things.
Rahul Gandhi aside. Accept it's your government's fault.
I don't think Rahul Gandhi even knows that this has happened. Let me also add, he must not even know this has happened.
And you are calling this heritage
But-
wall, compound wall is heritage wall?
Anything
Come
in
on.
Bangalore, anything in
Come
a
on.
city is
Your
heritage.
party
What
has
is new
done a
today,
mistake.
tomorrow
It
it
is not
becomes heritage.
yeah?
Today-
That
Your
compound wall
party
is
has
not,
done a
I think
mistake.
it should be built
Accept
some
it
2 or 3
and
years
I think
correct
you
back.
should
it.
just
Make
accept
sure
it
that
and
1
move
lakh
on.
rupee comes to
There is
your
no
party.
Why
point.
should I accept,
But
why
no,
should
no,
I
I've come
accept
to
lies? Why should I accept lies you
It's
tell
right
me?
in front of
Why
you,
should I
Satya
accept
Prakash.
those
You can
things
be,
which you have
You
you
just
can
spoken
turn a
about
blind
part of
eye.
it?
But ladies and
Undermining
gentlemen,
Rahul's program.
the way Bangalore is in a shambles is also because of this attitude. And it's not
Bangalore
about Rahul
is the
Gandhi.
best city in the country.
In the
Bangalore is
world.
the best city in
In
the
the
country.
world, Satya Prakash. In the
Then
world.
what are you talking? Why
Preserve
are you
it.
demeaning Bangalore?
Preserve it.